Well, hello, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know who it is, Godiva Empress. And we going straight no chaser with this one. What makes us happy? The reason being is I've had some comments and some people who want to act a little off, a little funny, a little messy, a little stank, by always saying that all Virgos are just mean, cold, surly. They say these things about us Virgos, and Virgos, we know that's not true. We are sometimes, but overall, we like happy. And I'm gonna tell you the things that make us happy, or adds to our happiness. Number one, happiness. Virgos like happiness, okay? Yes, that's what we attract, that's what we want. Other happy people, we like you. Other joyous people, you're welcomed into our lives. Virgos love happiness, a good vibe, a good time. Very, very into comfortable surroundings and comfortable settings. All that negative energy, and we don't really like that. That's why I keep where my sage at. I'm gonna show y'all. On deck. Get rid of those bad spirits, do you see it? Open up that window. We don't do negativity. Bad spirits, you gotta go. Matter of fact, what is this? Let me put this in here and open up my window. I'm not playing. Play with me. I had a bunch of good food. I had a bunch of good loving. Probably TMI, but love is what makes the world go round. And God, ancestors, and universe, I thank you. Okay, hold on. Let me get back to it. Hold on. Now that that's done, we got the sage burning and everything's smelling hella great. And it smells so healthy. You know, it smells so good energy, good vibes, good spirits. I don't even know where I was. What was I saying? Helping them. Yes, helping other people makes us happy, as well as those other people taking our wonderful, great giving advice. Didn't I tell y'all this? I keep saying it. Oh, we give good advice. People sometimes use us for it. But you can't use us if we don't want to be used. And Virgos, we're done with that. Don't let people use you for your good energy. Money. Virgos like money, just like the Capricorn. Virgos know money makes the world go round. No, it does not complete us, but it does add to our number one thing, happiness. You want to make a Virgo happy, give them some money. You want to add to a Virgo's happiness, cash app them. You want to make Virgo extra happy, just buy them something. Buy them something. Feed them. Buy them something. Take them on trips. Money. Another thing that makes Virgo happy that Virgos may not admit, but Virgo, this is you, sorry but not sorry, but we like to be in control. We do. Mainly control of our life. Because other people's lives, we can try to control, but it's really to no avail. Everything has a place, and that's things and people. So we need to know, are we going to be real close friends? Are we going to be distance friends? Or are we not going to be friends? So that's for the relationships part. Are we gonna be real close cousins? We gonna be buddy cousins? Or we just gonna be the cousins that see and talk to each other at the family reunion? We can put you in your place. It doesn't matter if I told, you know, y'all don't be listening to me because I tell y'all these things. Yes, and then the thing with control is, of course, I say we like order. The order, cleanliness makes us happiness. For most Virgos, cleanliness is next to godliness. It makes me happy. I can't think in clutter. I can't think in chaos. If my room is messy, I got to clean up. I can't do and record videos and my living room look a mess. I can't go party. I can't go out on vacation knowing my house is dirty. I told y'all this. Y'all know how I am, okay? I've shared this with you guys. And I am not the only Virgo. Virgos, keep that up. It's okay to be clean. It's okay. And I found out, like, in my older years, I like to take a whole lot more showers than what I used to as well. I don't want to create a problem with that, but I do take, yeah, I could tone it down probably a little bit more. It's just when I get cold, I like to take warm showers. I don't like being cold, and this is why the fall is coming up and everybody's excited. Oh, the summer is gone. Summer me please. I'm a summer baby, Virgo. I'm not looking forward to winter. Old man winter, as they call him. He keep his old ass wherever he is at, because I'm really not looking forward to it. But do I have clothes ready? I do. I have merch as well. Y'all see. Okay, anyway, what makes Virgos happy? Common sense. Common sense is always gonna be top of the list. We like smart MFers. So yes, common sense makes us happy. Professionalism and good customer service. Please do not have an attitude with the Virgo in the drive-thru when they have paid their money for your product or services. That's going to be a problem, because professionalism makes us very happy. Virgos are actually kind of intense by nature, so professionalism sometimes can come easier for us than anything else. So when we're social and extroverted and all that, that's effort. Virgos, we're ambiverts. We can do both. We can be introverted, we can be extroverted. But for the most part, we're kind of introverted. So yes, professionalism we can do. We expect people to give professionalism. If it is not given, this is a trigger for Virgos, because why? Like, I don't understand. But who are you talking to? Watch your tone. Watch your tone. How many of you Virgos have said this? I mean, you the one who decided to work here. I ain't tell you to work here. I mean, this is a job you chose though. Why you gonna get an attitude with me when you don't like your job? Virgo thing. We don't understand it. Like, if you don't like your job, why are you still here? And taking it out on everybody. And who you're not gonna take it out on is me. Cause that's rude. That's unprofessional. I love taking walks. Yeah, I could walk for miles and miles. Now, I'm not the best jogger. I don't really care for jogging, but walks, I could walk for miles. We love nature. But again, I think that goes back to Virgos being able to pay attention to so much detail, that we also pay attention to things in nature that people don't see. Like, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all now. I actually have been, I don't know what this is, because I'm not a spider fan, but I've been in awe of spider webs lately and the intricacy. Have y'all not seen the detail on that shit? Like, they really are talented. I said, this is amazing. And then to see how much wind they withhold or bad weather, I'm like, whatever kind of silk, platinum silk they be spinning, that is impressive. Like, damn. Do your thing, nature. Do your thing, God. But I just think it's so amazing. So I've been on this thing, like looking at birds' nests and just stuff. Like, I've really been appreciating nature, but that's because we know I'm on this spiritual journey, and the more intact I am with spirituality, the more intact I respect Mother Nature. It's just a whole nother level. Life is great. And the last thing that I will say that makes us Virgos happy, or adds to our happiness, laughter. Laughter. I love to laugh. I like making other people laugh. I like to make people laugh actually by default, just of being who I am. I get a chuckle because I laugh at myself all the time. I crack myself up. God did that with me. He gave me my sense of humor that makes me laugh. So whether no one else laughs, I'm gonna laugh. It's gonna be me. If there is some laughter to be had, oh, I'm laughing. Laughter is the way to our heart. It's the way to a lot of things. You know, laughter done got me in trouble. Probably shouldn't say this, but yeah, it done got me in trouble with a couple men, because it is that high on my. I love a good comedian, or just somebody who knows how to laugh or understand my jokes, or timing is right. Like, you can laugh your way into some situations. You laugh your way right on in between these sheets right here. You know, it's happened. It's happened. But I have been in relationships with these people too, you know. So yeah. I got distracted again. Sidebar. Wait a minute. The last thing, like for a bonus, I would say one thing that makes Virgos happy is progression and progress, and being able to flex, not necessarily on other people, but being able to flex on our damn selves. To up. That makes Virgos happy. We do not want to fail. We do not want to go backwards in life. Virgos feel good. Virgos are happy when they're doing better than what they were yesterday, when they're doing better than what they were doing last year. Any Virgo, you're doing the same thing today and this year that you were doing on this day last year, you're not a real Virgo, and you can't be my friend. How you a Virgo and you still doing the same shit? Excuse me. And you're still doing the same thing that you were doing last year. No progress. Virgos, this is what makes us happy. So if you're a Virgo, Virgo, and you're feeling some type of way about life right now, like you're feeling a little depressed, you're feeling a little sad, you feel like, I don't know what's going on, because everybody has these moments. Understand this, I get it. Okay, been there, done that a couple times, got a t-shirt, got a keychain, whatever you want, whatever the saying goes. But clearly I didn't stay there, because that's not an option. So if you're feeling some type of way, or you're feeling that way, it's because you need to level up. It's time to do something else. Whatever you've been putting on hold, take it off hold, it's time to start. Whatever you said you're doing next year, you ain't got to, how you know you got till next year? How you know you got till next year? Go ahead and do it now. It helps us grow. It helps us thrive. It helps us smile even more. It keeps us in good energy. And make sure y'all are saying these affirmations. Am I gonna have to start telling y'all the affirmations to say? Until next time, bye y'all. Love y'all. Peace. Merch time.